In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment, and in today's assignment, we will discuss Exp25 Excel Chapter 7 ML2 Employees. So we just increase its size so it must be visible to everyone and change its color. So we will discuss this assignment. You may follow me and you will get good grade. So before going to solve this assignment step by step, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today assignments. So in today assignment we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 17, 18 and 19. We have 18 questions, then 19 one is just like non-graded one, in which we have to save and close XP Excel Chapter 7 ML2 Employee, then exit Excel, then submit the files. Okay, so question number, we have 19 question in today assignment. Okay, so let me start today assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get good grade. Here is project description. You work for clothing distributor that has a location in Iowa, Minnesota and Wisconsin. You will use a data and logical function to complete main employees data set. Use a database function to locate, calculate key summary statistic, and use financial function to complete a loan amortization table. Okay, so that was just simply instruction or description about the file, that what we have in today file, how we have to solve that one. Okay, so now we are moving toward graded part of today assignment. So steps to complete, and here is instruction of the file. In question number 1, start Excel, then download and open file name this one, then grader has automatically added your last name in the beginning of the file. Yes, we have done everything there, and we have download file and we already opened that file. Okay, here is our file, our name is there in the start of the file. So question number 1 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 2. So in the date worksheet, column D contains a city each employee work in. You want to display the state. Okay, so we have to move toward a date worksheet. In column D there is a state, so make sure data sheet is active. Yes, then move toward cell G7 and insert switch function. We have to move towards cell G7 and there we have to insert switch function. Then to evaluate store city D7, where is D7? There is D7. So our main target is city is D7 in sequence switch dash Muncie for Iowa. So this we have to copy this one from here. Then we have to select this one. Then we have to in this one. Then we have to again select this one, and then we have to in sort balls. Okay, then we select this one, and what we use this one. Okay, then close parentheses, and now we have to make that absolute. Okay, this one we have to make that absolute, again this one, and also this one. Then simply press enter and get a result. Okay, so there is some problem with that formula, so we have to in that one. Okay, now it is working. Okay, then Use mixed reference state name A2 to A20 A4. Yes, we have in that one. Then copy the function from G7 to the range GA to G31. So now we just copy that one toward there. Yes, and we have done. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3 we just move toward data worksheet. Then we just move toward cell G7, insert a switch function to evaluate city stored in D7. Then in this sequence we use switch and we in everything there in a switch function and we get this result. Okay, so question number 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. Column C contains actual hire date for employees. You want to extract only the year in column H. So in cell H7 insert year function. So now we have to move toward H7 and there we use a year function. Then what value we have to pass to that year function to extract hire date, that is in cell C7. Hire date, that is in C7, this one. Then close parentheses and press enter and get the result. Okay, then we have to copy the function into the range this one. Okay, so it's mean that we have to copy this function toward and there. Yes, done. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3 we just move towards cell H7 and there we use insert year function to extract the year from hire date in cell C7. Now we are moving toward question number 4. In cell I7 insert years from the function to calculate the year between first employee hire date and last day of year condition in cell C2. So first we have to use a year phrasing. Then where is a start date? We have to calculate years between first employee hire date, then hire date, then last date year contained in cell C2. Where is C2? This one is C2. Then simply press enter and get the result. Okay, so we have to make this absolute so that will work. Yes, so question number 4 is done, in which we have to use a year frac function and then we pass all these values to this condition, then copy the function to range I31. So question number 6 is done and we earn 6 points from here. Okay, now we are moving toward question number 5. You want to determine what day of the week each employee was hired. So in cell G7 insert a weekday function. In cell each J7 insert weekday function. So we just move toward J7 and there we use a weekday function. Okay, and then to display day of week for first employees. So we have to display day of week for first employees. So what we have to, okay, so simply press enter and we get the result. Then simply drag this one to and then we get overall result. So question number 5 is done. In question number 5 we have to move to our cell G7 and there we insert a function, that is weekday function, to display the day of week for first employee hire date. Then copy the function to cell J7 same range. Okay, so question number 5 is done and we earned 6 marks again. Now I'm moving toward question number 6. The values are returned in the range J7 to J35 are whole number. You want to display result actual week days. So format the range J7 to J31. First we have to select J7 to J31. Yes, that range is already selected. Then we have to custom the number JJ. Okay, now we have to click on here, then click on customs, and here we have to in JJ is the that is available or not. So we just see that that is not there, so we just use anyone, then we just use right here JD, then simply press OK. Yes, now you may see number have been gone. Now we just get the day, exactly day, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, or okay. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6 we have to format the range J7 to J31 as a custom number format. After solving question number 6, we earn 4 marks. Now we are moving toward question number 7. Employees are scheduled for a 6-month review based on their hiring month. So in cell K7, insert eDate function. We have to move towards cell K7 and there we use eDate function. Then to identify a 6 month, that is a 6 month from first employee hire date. Okay, then simply press enter and we get. Okay, what is start date is that, then what is the month? So we have to work on that formula. So what formula we have to use? We just make the formula. Okay, so now we just simply press enter and get the result. Now simply drag this formula till last and we get the result. So question number 7 is done. In question number 7, we just move towards cell K7, insert eDate function to identify the month, that is 6 months from the first employee hire date. Then copy the function to K8 to K31. So question number 7 is done and we earn again 6 marks. Same way we will solve question number 8, 9, 10 up to question number 18 step by step. Okay, you may see we have just 18 questions. Out of 18 we have solved first 9 questions, mean half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as here in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me, I am available, I will solve and you will get E grade 100% marks. You may also contact me for other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, Tableau, Power BI. So whatever you need to have regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available, I will solve and you will get E grade 100% marks. In today's video we have discussed Exp25 Excel chapter 7 ML2 Employees. In short, we just read project description, then discuss that one, then we solve question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have discussed question number 8. Mean half of assignment is done. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my. So I take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future.